Today, I am going to be using the button template. First, you must open your large button template. Then, find the image you want to put on the button template. You can go File Open, or you can drag and drop it into the button template. As you can see, the button template, the picture goes behind the front layer. So you just have to drag and adjust it after you press the check mark. So drag, adjust, and now you see the image in front of the front layer. Make sure your Show Transform controls is selected. Now, we drag and drop, make sure to hold the Shift key, and we're going to drag to make it bigger and fit in our circle. So I'm just going to try to center it, make sure that it covers the full gray area, and then hit the check mark. Next up, I'm going to right click and click on Create Clipping Mask. As you can see, it makes a nice circle of the image because it creates a clipping mask with the layer below it. After that, I am going to use the eyedropper. The eyedropper is a tool that looks like an eyedropper, so I select the eyedropper and I'm just going to use a pink. I'm going to select a pink color here. So I select the pink color, I go to the paint bucket, click on the paint bucket, make sure I select the background layer, and then click there. And as you can see, I have created a pink color around. You can choose another color if you want. If you wanted the white or sort of a grayish or maybe the gray hat, you can do that and do the paint bucket as well. I like the pink, so I'm going to leave it with pink. And then just make it pink. Then you can add in text if you want. As I wait for the swirling mouse, and then I'm just going to add in a caption. Evelyn's first birthday. As you can see, the text is too big. Got to make it smaller. You make it 12. You can change the font maybe. And then also, I have to drag the layer up to the top. I'm going to put it right there. Or I can put it down here and then maybe add a stroke. Maybe a pink stroke around it. Click OK, and as you can see, now I have created Evelyn's first birthday button. Send it to Mr. Hoganrad and hand it in through email.